All right, we have the onan generator down, as you know, and I wanted to show you what's underneath the computer. Now this computer here, you can see it's pretty old-fashioned. This is from a 2009 RV. There's your starter solenoid. That's what it looks like. And the connector is right there, which connects right here. So that simply goes there. Uh, you know, after you unbolt everything, you can see this is held by one bolt. And you can remove your starter relay, or solenoid as they call them back in the days. A real old technology that still exists today. So just to show you, that is the components. So if you're ever wondering what's underneath there, that's what's there. And that's your fuel filter and fuel pump. The red thing is the fuel pump.